Hi guys, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss dynamic program. Dynamic program is one of the problem solving technique in algorithm. It is one of the problem solving technique where we try to examine all possible solutions for a given problem. Okay, here also we can examine all possible solutions of a given problem. Okay, dynamic programming is nothing but a careful brute force approach. It is a brute force approach. In this dynamic programming, we are going to study the following problems. Optimal binary search tree, all by shortest path, 0-1 knapsack problem, traveling solves problem. These are all we are going to learn by using dynamic programming. Okay. First one, that is optimal binary search problem. First of all, we'll see general method, then we will go for a problem. Let's consider three elements, that is 15, 25, 90. Okay. 15, 25, 90, sorry, 90. Then the frequency values, these are all the frequency values. Frequency values for those keys are 5, 2, 3. Okay, given keys are 15, 25, 90, and the frequency values for those keys are 5, 2, 3. Okay, let's consider all the binary search trees for these keys. Okay, these are all the binary search trees for those keys. Okay, for 3 keys we can get 5 binary search trees. How we can get this formula? There is one formula for that. That is 2n. Sorry. How many binary search trees? Equal to 2n cn by n plus 1. This is the formula. By using this formula, we can get 5. Okay. These are all the 5 binary search trees. Binary search tree means it contains one constraint, that is not only 2 children. It contains root. Root is the value. For that root, left value should be less values, and right value should be greater than the root node. Okay, let's see here 25, 90. So first 15, 25, 90, all are should be in right side. This is the binary search tree. But if we want to search for 15, how we can get, sorry, in one comparison we will get 15. If we want to get 2, we need to, so if we want to find 25, we need to do 2 comparisons. That means first of all we need to compare 15. Then here we can find, right? Then we goes to 25. Here we can find. That is 2 comparisons are needed to find 25. For 90 we need 3 comparisons. First of all we need to compare 15, 25, and then we will come here. Like that also, if we want to compare 15, here 1 and 92 and then 3. Here if we check binary search tree constraint, 15 contains 19, 25 are children. Okay, 90 is the greater value than 15 and 25 is a greater value of 15. So these are two connected at right side, but 90 is most greater, so it connected to right side to 15, but 25 is greater than 15. That means greater than root node, but it is less than the 90, so it is connected to left side of the 90. Okay, right side of the node but left side to the 90. Okay, here in here 15 is less value, right, than 25, so 15 is connected to left side, 90 is greater than right, so it is connected to left side. Here if we want to find 25, we need to do only one comparison, but if we want to find 15, 90, we need to do 2 comparisons. That means first we need to compare root node, then we should come here. After that we need to compare here also, then we will get 2 comparisons. Okay, here 90 is greater than 15 and 25, so 15 and 25 are connected to left side, but 25 is greater than 15, so it is connected to right side of the 15. Here if we want to find 25, we need to do 3 comparisons. This is the comparisons value. Okay, this is all about the binary search tree. Next we will see how to find the optimal solutions for this binary search tree. Okay, finding optimal solution for this binary search trees. Okay, first we need to find for first tree. That means first we need to find this tree. Okay, for this tree we need to find the optimal solutions. Fine. For first tree we have 15, 25, 90. These are all the optimal solutions. These are all the keys values. Okay, for these keys values we need to find the optimal solutions. Then here for 15, how many comparisons we did? For 15 we have did only one comparison, right? So 1 into, then frequency is 5, right? 5. For 25, how many comparisons we have done? 2. For 93, so 2 into 2. Then here how many comparisons we have done? 3. 3 into frequency value is 3. Okay. Then if you find the value, 3 into 3 is 9, and 2 into 2 is 4, and 1 into 5 is 5. So total values for this is total values for this, these are all 3. That means 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9. Value is equal to 18. 18 is the solution for the first tree. Okay. Next for second tree. For second tree, right? For second tree, 15, 15, right? For 15, how many comparisons we have done? One comparison, right? 1 into, then frequency here is 5, is equal to 5 value, then 25. For 25, how many comparisons we have done here is 3. That is 3 into value frequency is 2 is equal to 6. Next for 90. For 90, how many comparisons done is 2. So 2 into value is 3, frequency value, total equal to 6. So total value is 5 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 5 equal to 17. So here we got 18, here we got 17. Next we will find for third one, third tree. For 15 we got 2, 1, 2, that is 15, 2, 25, 1, 92. Okay, let's remember those 2, 1, 2. 15 we have got 2 comparisons into frequency value is 5, total value is 10. For 25 we have got only one comparison, right? Into 2 is the frequency value equal to 2. Next 90, how many comparisons we have got? 2 into 3 equal to 6. Then the whole value is 10 plus 2 plus 2. 10 plus 2 plus 6. Whole value is 18. Okay. For third tree we have got 18. Next we will see for fourth one. 15, 25, 90. That is 2, 3, 1 are the comparisons. For 15 we have got 2. For 25 we have got 3 comparisons. For 90 we need to find 1 comparison. That is 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1 are the comparisons for 15, 25 and 90. For 15, 2 into 5 equal to 10. For 25, 3 comparisons, right? 3 into 2 equal to 6. Next for 90. How many comparisons we need, right? 1 into frequency value is 3 is equal to 3. Total value is 90. Okay. Next we will find for 53. 53 we have got, let's see how many comparisons are there. 15, 3, 25, 2, 91. That is 3, 2, 1 are the comparisons. 15, 3 into frequency value is 5 equal to 15. Next for 25 we have got comparisons 2, that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. For 90 we have got 1 comparison into 3 is equal to 3. So total are 22. Here first one we got 18, right? 18 here. Then we got 17. Then we got 18. Then we got 19, 22. Here minimum value we have got at secondary. So secondary is the optimal solution. So it is optimal. For secondary is optimal. For secondary we will find optimal solution. Okay. Okay, this is the general method, dynamic programming. Hi guys, welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss optimal binary search tree. Construct an optimal binary search tree for the following elements. Do, if, inc, while are the elements. For that, where the probabilities will be defined as 3311 are the success probabilities, 23311 are unsuccessful probabilities. Then we have to find weight. W of I comma j is the weight. P of j plus Q of j plus Wi of I comma j minus 1. With the help of this formula, we can find the weight. Then cost can be found by minimum of I less than k less than or equal to j of C of I comma k minus 1 plus C comma kj. Here we need to define some basic conditions like C of I comma I equal to 0 and R of I comma I equal to 0. Okay. First of all, here we need to take one table because this can be done with the help of tabulation method. Okay. Tabulation method is the one of the approach of dynamic programming. Here we have to take n plus 1 rows and columns, n equal to 4 elements. So we have been taking n plus 1 rows and columns. Okay. And another thing is here index starts with, that means 2 indexes are there. P index starts with 1 and Q index starts with 0. That means Q index starts with 0. Okay. Okay, let's consider a table. This is the table. Fine. In that table, first of all, we will define rows and columns. N plus 1 rows and columns, right? 0, 0th row, first column, second column, third column, and fourth column. Run rows 0, 1, 2, 3, final one is 4. Okay. Here for each and every one we need to find cost, weight, and R value. Okay, these are the values we need to find. R is equal to K. Okay, here K, right? This is nothing but IR equal to K. First of all, what do we have given? C of I comma equal 0, R of I comma equal to 0. So all the C of 1 comma 1, C of 2 comma 2, C of 3 comma 3, C of 4 comma 4, C of 5 comma 5, sorry, C of 0 comma 0, right? 0 comma 0. All these values are 0. Okay, all these values are 0. So we can define all these values are 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so all the diagonal elements are cost is 0 and are also 0. So all the cost and R value is 0. Okay, then we need to find weights. Here one more basic condition which we have missed. W of I comma I is nothing but Q of I. That means W of I comma I equal to Q of I. Okay, so Q of I means W of 0 comma 0, first one, is equal to Q of 0. Q of 0 is nothing but 2, right? Q of 0 is equal to 2. Okay, and Q of 1, next W of 1 comma 1 is equal to Q of 1. Value how much? 2, no, 3, 3, 3, right? 3, sorry, 3. Okay, next W of 2 comma 2 is equal to q of 2, value is 1. Okay. Next w of 3 comma 3, value is q of 3. Q of 3 how much? 1. Next w of 4 comma 4, value is q of 4. Final value also 1. So 2 3 1 1 1 all the diagonal weights. 2 3 1 1 1. All these are the diagonal values. So by using these diagonal values we can find first this, after that this, then finally we can find this. Okay, so we need to find first this. Okay, so we need to find now 0 comma 1. Okay, now we'll see how to find remaining these values. Okay, actually we need to find the whole tabular values, but why we choose only these values? Because the upper values and the lower values in between diagonal is the values above the diagonal and below the diagonal, okay, are the same values. To remove duplication we have been using only above the diagonal values. If you want you can take this also. If you take these values you may get the same values. Okay, to remove duplication purpose only we have been calculating above the diagonal values. Below the diagonal also you will get the same values. Okay, next what we need to find? We need to find this. After this we need to find this. Finally we will find this. Okay, now find c of 0 comma 1 and w of 0 comma 1. Okay, c of 0 comma 1 equal to, formula is min of, formula is the right c of cost. To find cost of the probabilities we need to find this formula. Okay, c of I comma j. C of I comma j means here c of 0 comma 1, that is min of, this is the limits for this, 0 less than 1, sorry, less than 1, less than or equal to 1. That means 0 to 1 are the limitations here. After that c of I comma k minus 1, that is c of 0 comma k minus 1 means 0, k value 1, right? K minus 1 means 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, and we will get one doubt as how you can take k value as 1, because first of all we know I comma j values, that is I is 0 and j is 1. In between 0 to 1 and which is equal to 1 value should be 1, right? I will explain once again. We know I value 0 and j value is 1. Here we have condition is I less than k less than or equal to j. K less than or equal to j means k equal to j. That means it should be 1, right? And it is greater than 0. So 1 should be substituted here. Okay, by using I and j values we have find k value. So k minus 1 is 0, then plus c of k comma k value is 1, right? 1 comma j value is 1. Okay, plus w of I comma j minus 1. W of I comma j minus 1 means I is 0. J minus 1 means 1 minus 1. That is W of 0. C of 0 comma 1. That means C of ij. I is 0, j equal to 1. Then min of I less than k less than or equal to j. By using I and j, we have find k here. Next C of I comma k minus 1. I is 0, k minus 1 means 0. Next C of k comma j. K is 1, j is 1 plus W of I comma j. W of I comma j means W of 0 comma 1. We know all these values, but we don't know this value. So first find W of 0 comma 1. Okay. W of 0 comma 1 equal to W of ij means equal to P of j plus Q of j. P of j means P of j means P of 4. Sorry, P of 1. Here j value is 1, right? P of 1 plus Q of j. That means Q of 1. Q of 1 plus W of I comma j minus 1. W of I comma j minus 1. I value is 0, comma j minus 1 means 1 minus 1 0 equal to P of 1 how much? P of 1 3 plus Q of 1 3 plus W of 0 comma 0 means this value. W of 0 comma 0 is 2, right? So plus 2 is equal to 8. How we have taken P of Q of 1? We are this from this P of 1 means 3, Q of 1 means 3, right? By using these values we have got this. So W of is 0. Now this substitute this into C of 0 comma 1. Value is P first minimum of by in these limits C of 0 comma 0 means 0 plus C of 1 comma 1 means 0 plus W of 0 comma 1 means 8. So value is 8. Okay. So we should substitute C of 0 comma 1 plus 8. C equal to 8. And we have find weight also, right? W of 0 comma 1 how much? 8. W also 8 and R value is 1. R value is nothing but K value. Okay. K value how much we have taken here is 1, right? 1, right? So R value also 1. Next we will find C of 1 comma 2. Next find C of 1 comma 2. C of 1 comma 2. Now we know all the substitution powers, so substitute fastly. C of 1 comma 2 means minimum of, let's find the limits. I value is 1 less than or equal to K value how much? 2. So in between 1 and 2 and it should be equal to 2. That is 2. Okay. Next we have find K value. Next we need to find C of 1 comma 1, that is I comma K minus 1 plus C of K comma J, that is 2 comma 2 plus W of I comma J. W of I comma J is 1 comma 2. So we need to find W of 1 comma 2. W of 1 comma 2. Formula is P of j. That means P of 2 plus Q of 2 plus W of I comma j minus 1. W of I comma j minus 1 is 1 comma 1. Right? Then value is P of 2 is 3 plus Q of 2 is 1 plus W of 1 comma 1 W of 1 comma 1 is 3. So 3. Value is 7. Now substitute into C of 1 comma 2. Value is 0 plus 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. In that way, you need to find all the C of 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4 also. For 2 comma 3, you will get 5. For C of 3 comma 4, you will get 3. Okay. So all the 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, sorry, 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, all the values are completed. Now we need to find these values. Okay. Here main value is, on finding these values we got only 1k value, but here we will get 2k value. So we need to perform 2 times. So that is the main difference here. We'll see one model for that. So first find C of 0 comma 2. Okay, C of 0 comma 2. Then you will understand clearly. C of 0 comma 2. Minimum of 0 less than or equal to 2 means. So you will get here in between 0 and 2, and it should be 2 equal to 2. Okay, it should be less than 2 and it should be equal to 2. So you will get 1 comma 2 or 2 values. Okay, 1 is less than 2, 2 is equal to 2. So you will get 2k values here. This is the main difference here. After that, we need to find C of I comma, first take 1 as k value, I comma k minus 1. That is I is 0 comma k minus 1 means 0 plus C of k comma j. K how much? 1 comma. So next in k comma j value is 2, right? Plus W of I comma j, that is 0 comma 2. Okay, and we need to find another value comma C of I here take k value as 2. So if you take k value as 2, then C of I comma k minus 1, that means 0 comma 2 minus 1 means 1 plus C of k comma j. K value is 2 comma j value also 2. Okay, plus W of I comma j. So that is same for both. Okay, and you can write it is wait, you can write this into comma So first you need to find a minimum of these two, then add weight to those. Okay, fine. C of 0 comma 0 means 0 plus C of 1 comma 2 how much? C of 1 comma 2 7 7 comma C of 0 1 how much? 0 1 how much? 8 8 plus 2 comma 2 we know 0. So minimum of these two is 7. So 7 plus we need to find W of 0 comma 2. Okay, now let's find W of 0 comma 2. W of 0 comma 2 is equal to P of J. P of J how much? That means P of J how much? 2 here plus Q of J. Q of J how much? 2 plus W of I comma J minus 1. I how much? 0 comma J minus 1 1. Okay, P of 2 how much? Let's see. P of 2 means 1. Q of 2 also 1. One plus and W of 0 comma 1 is 8. Okay, 8. So value is 10. 10 plus and here minimum value what we have got is 7. So 10 plus 7 equal to 17. So 17 is the cost and weight is 10. So C equal to 17, W equal to 8, W equal to 10, sorry, C equal to 17, W equal to 10 and K value should be 2 values will come here. That is R value also 2 values. K equal to R, right? But we have to take only minimum value. We have because where minimum value came, that value should be taken as a came. So we got minimum value what? By using 1, right? By using 1 as K, we got minimum value as 7. So we have to take that only. So C equal to 17. W equal to 10. R equal to K value, that is 1. Okay, like this way by using finding the minimum value, you need to find the minimum values of these two K values. Then after finding the minimum value, find weight, then you will get the cost. In this way you need to find all these two also. Now we'll see 0 comma 3. Okay, 0 comma 3, that means minimum of 0 less than or equal to J value is 3. So what we will get K value is 1 is less than 3 comma 2 is less than 3 and 3 is less than or equal to 3, right? So these are all the K values. So here we need to find minimum value of these 3 K values. So equal to C of first I comma K minus 1. How much? 0 comma 1. First take 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 plus C of J comma K comma J. K value is 1 comma J value is 3, right? Next comma next now take C of K value as 2. So 0 comma K minus 1 means 1 plus C of k comma j means 2 comma j how much 3, right? Comma c of 0 comma, now take k value as 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2, right? Plus c of k comma, k value how much 3 comma j value also 3. Okay, after finding this you will find weight of I comma j, that is 0 comma 3. Okay, it is equal to minimum of c of 0 comma 0 means 0 plus 1 comma 3, sorry, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3 how much 12, sorry here, right? 12 comma c of 0 comma 1 means 8 plus c of 2 comma 3 3 comma 0 comma 2 19 plus 3 of 3 we already know 0. Okay, after finding minimum value find w of 0 comma 3. Okay, if you find minimum value 12 plus 11 12 comma 11 comma 19, so here minimum value is 11, right? So 11 c of 0 comma 3 equal to 11 plus w of 0 comma 3. Okay, it is equal to, now find w of 0 comma 3 equal to p of j means p of 3 plus q of 3 plus w of I comma j minus 1. I means 0 comma j minus 1 means 3 minus 1 is 2. P of 3 how much? Let's see. P of 3 means 0 1 2 3 1. Q of 3 also 3. 1 plus 1 plus w of 0 comma 2 is 12. So 14, and after that find c of 0 comma 3. Value is c of 0 comma 3 value is 14 plus 11. 14 plus 11 which is equal to 25. Okay, this is the value of c of 0 comma 3. In that way you need to find, we have find c of 0 comma 3, right? In this way you need to find 1 comma 4 also. After finding 1 comma 4 finally you need to find 0 comma 4. Okay, for c of 0 comma 3 you have got 3 k values, but for c of 0 comma 4 you will get 4 values as key, comma 4 is equal to 4. Okay, now change, just change one, just change and add only one value. Okay, this is the way you need to find dynamic programming. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay, thank you.